Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The relay that we'll need to check for the trailer tow today, guys, will be demonstrated on 2016 F-150. You have two fuse boxes. We'll need to just open the fuse box that's under the hood, known as engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. So if we zoom in a little bit here, you can see this is your car battery. And this is the fuse box cover here, that if you open that fuse box cover here, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Before we start, let's explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses, relays, that way don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So as you can see, you will, guys, have different relays, different kinds of relays, fuses that could be really expensive or hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. We'll be working in that relay panel right here, and the trailer tow relay, guys, will be located in that row right there. If you look at that middle fuse right here, that's the one that you need to check, that fuse right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.